Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. So whether you block someone by accident or you've decided to reconnect, the process is quick and very easy to follow. So first, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. So step 1, go to settings. So click on your profile at the bottom right. Now once you're in here, tap on privacy. This section controls who can contact you, who can see your profile photo, your status, and more. So anything related to blocking or visibility is found right here. Now scroll down until you see contacts, tap on it. So here you'll find a full list of all the people you've blocked on WhatsApp. So take a moment to scroll through and find the person you want to unblock. So to unblock someone, tap on block, tap on edit at the top right, tap on the red sign and tap on unblock. Now it's unblocking, and as you can see, that someone has been unblocked. Now, after unblocking, you can send the messages again. They can also message you back. So, just a quick tip, any messages they sent while they were blocked will not be delivered, so you won't see those. If you don't see the person in your block list, make sure you actually block the correct number or account. Sometimes people have multiple numbers, so double check just in case. And that's it. That's how you can unblock someone on WhatsApp step by step. Thanks for watching.